Hi, Luke Lango here, America's #1 stock picker. And this is Investor Place Quick Picks, where we communicate to you some of the market's best investment ideas in just 10 minutes. Have you seen GameStop stock recently? Ticker GME? To say it's gone parabolic would almost be an understatement. In July of 2020, this was a $4 stock. This week, shares rallied as high as $350, representing a jaw-dropping 88x gain in less than half a year. What in the world is going on? In short, retail investors discovered the power of the internet. Here's the quick story. There's a forum on the social media site Reddit called WallStreetBets, where every day 2.2 million people come together to discuss often aggressive and bold trading ideas. The forum has been around forever, but recently has become a place where retail traders have come together to wage war against Wall Street. What does that mean? There's a sentiment underlying the WallStreetBets forum that big-time hedge funds and institutional investors have been running the tables in the stock market for far too long. So, the posters in WallStreetBets had an idea. Turn the tables on Wall Street pros by getting the entire 2.2 million member WallStreetBets community to collectively buy a bunch of stock in a heavily shorted company, thereby pushing the stock price of that company up significantly and forcing the hedge fund short that company to cover at a huge loss. While the retail WallStreetBets traders walk away with a huge profit. GameStop became the testing grounds for this idea. It had all the right ingredients that Reddit traders needed to make this epic short squeeze work. Big short interest, low stock price, small float, small market cap, dirt cheap valuation, a widely recognized name, potential for a big turnaround through e-commerce initiatives. It was the dream stock for WallStreetBets to wage war against Wall Street. And so, that's exactly what the WallStreetBets horde did. They targeted GameStop. They pumped the stock. They used catalysts such as Chewy's former CEO becoming a board member to show that a big turnaround was coming. And above all else, they bought GameStop stock, a lot of it, and convinced a lot of other people to buy GameStop stock too. The results? A rapid 90x gain in one of Wall Street's traditionally most hated stocks. Perhaps the most surprising part is that there hasn't been a lot of short covering yet. About 150% of the float remains short. So this is still the most heavily shorted stock in the market. If the retail traders can keep up the frenzy, admittedly a big if, then all those shorts are going to be forced to cover at some point, which could add even more juice to this already mind-boggling rally. Okay, but why am I telling you all of this? Because this will happen again. This is about more than GameStop stock or the WallStreetBets forum on Reddit. This is about retail investors discovering the power of the internet to coordinate buying efforts and dramatically influence stock prices. They use this power on GameStop. It worked better than anyone could have imagined. They will use this power again and again and again and again. Retail investors coordinating buying efforts through social media forums will increasingly become more and more normal because they now see that when done correctly, it can work. Not to mention, commission-free trading platforms with leverage capability are giving a new generation of Robinhood traders the tools they need to move stocks. In other words, what happened to GameStop stock will happen again. But to who? It worked wonders with GameStop because you had all the right ingredients. Most stocks don't have those ingredients that will enable retail traders to pull off a Wall Street heist. But some do. I'm talking micro-cap stocks trading under $10 with a high short interest and a fundamental catalyst that could get the retail masses excited. In that world, 5 stocks come to mind. At the top of the list, you have AMC Entertainment, ticker AMC. That's the theater stock, really heavily shorted, low stock price, could get the masses really excited about that trade, about that short squeeze. You also have electric vehicle makers Arrow, ticker AYRO, and Kandi, ticker KNDI. Also, low stock prices, heavy short interest, fundamental catalyst with a potential EV breakout in 2021, 2022 under the Biden administration. There's also Blue Apron, the meal kit maker, ticker APRN. Blue Apron, another low stock price, heavy short interest, fundamental catalyst. Well, the fact that if COVID-19 does go away, maybe some of the people that bought meal kits in 2020 will actually stick around, providing a long-term growth runway for the company. And you also have Koss, a headphone maker, ticker KOSS. Again, low stock price, heavy short interest, and a potential fundamental turnaround in 2021, 2022 with the economy normalizing. Now, of course, you also have names like Fubo TV, ticker FUBO, and Virgin Galactic, ticker SPCE. These are bigger companies. They're not as low in terms of stock price, but they have heavy short interest. Those companies could also be subject to enormous retail-driven short squeezes in the coming months. To be sure, I don't think any of these stocks are as attractive a candidate for a retail trader takeover as GameStop, but that's not the point. Retail investors have found a new power. They're going to use that power a lot over the next several months. The stocks that I just listed could be on the receiving end of this dynamic, and as such, could end up soaring like GameStop in the coming months. But tread carefully. Just as quickly as retail investors have seized power in GameStop, they could lose it. And in all of these other heavily shorted stocks as well. Well, that's all we have for this edition of Investor Play's Quick Picks. I hope you liked what you saw. If you did, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, smash the like button. Perhaps give me a follow on Twitter where I'm very active. Or if you like to read, come over and visit us at investorplace.com where we have some of the market's best analysis. Until next time, cheers and happy investing to all.